Happy Sunday! How is everybody doing in the quarantine? Thought we would just show off some makeup, talk about some of our products that are going to retire, and show some products that are not retiring. So my favorite product besides the mascara is our stick foundation, and it's a full coverage foundation. You're going to use it with the kabuki brush because that blends it in the best. You want to put it on in like stripes or maybe some dots. Try not to go to the back of your neck if at all possible. You want to get it mostly on your face if you can. And it's gonna be really, really nice coverage. So I want to get my whole face, and I want to maybe blend it up towards my eyes and maybe my forehead a little. Maybe not my hair so much, but it is nice if you have a darker foundation and your roots are kind of gray because you can't go to the salon right now. You can fill it in. So once I get done with my foundation, I like to do my eyebrows. So this is retiring. The brow palette's retiring, but I'm gonna bet you something better is coming. So I like to use the blonde palette. If you haven't used the palette, just match it to your hair color, and you can definitely do that by actually touching your hair. So that's how I match it. And then you can go as high as you want with the arch, as you can see. You don't want to use it as eyeshadow, but you could. But you kind of want to get your eyebrow completely covered in, and not your whole face with your eyebrow palette. So, but I mean, it's up to you. You can do it however you want to do it. The next thing I usually do is the eyeshadow. Sorry, it's been a long quarantine. We're definitely having some drinks here in the Fisher house, but sorry about that. So this is another product that's retiring. It's our cream shadow. They're super nice. They go on really good. This is called Faithful, and it's a nice soft brown color. And mostly I use it on my eyes. Mostly I use it on my eyes, but it blends out really nice, which is nice. So you could even take like a blending brush and blend it into your eyes a little bit if you wanted, or you could use it with like a smaller. Sorry, I've had a lot of beers. You could use like a smaller brush and use it for like a liner if you wanted. But it's up to you. It's up to you how you want to do it. So another product that's leaving, and again, when our products are leaving, it's probably because something more amazing is coming out. This is a lip liner, and I like lip liner for multiple reasons at this point in my life. Being that I'm starting to get some wrinkles around my mouth, it helps keep my lipstick on my lips. If you want to try to keep the liner on your lips. But if you want to make them a little fuller, you can go outside of your lip line a little bit, but that's probably good. That's probably, I don't know, it's probably enough lip liner. So you can also fill your lips in. It's up to you. Sorry. Told you, I had a couple too many drinks. But then I'm gonna do my lipstick, and this is, you know what, I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember if this one's retiring, but it's super pretty. It's like a plum purple. It's very pretty. Okay, that is good. That's good. So, you know what, I mean, a lot of people are trying to look for like a fuller lip, and that definitely gives a fuller lip. So it's up to you, you know, how dramatic you really want to make it. But I'll leave it to you. If you have questions and you're wondering about some techniques, I'm definitely here for techniques. Maybe not on a bush latte day, but it's good. It's good. Last thing we're going to do is the mascara. This is the Epic Mascara. It's not going anywhere. None of our eye products are going anywhere. Thank goodness. So it's just a twist cap, and you just want to get it on your eyelashes as best you can. So, or your eyebrows. It's fine. I mean, it's up to you. You know what I mean? Like your look, you can do your look however you want. So I'm gonna leave it up to you. So that's good. I don't like to put a ton on Sundays because I'm not really going anywhere, but you can layer it. You can do multiple coats. It's totally up to you. So if you guys have questions or need any more advice, I do have a lot of really good techniques. I just want to blend it in a little bit better. So, all right, I hope you guys have a super fantastic Sunday, and I hope your week is amazing. All right, bye.